In this example, we have a given line negative 8x plus 8, so y equals. So our slope there is negative 8, and our y-intercept b is 8. So m here is negative 8. We want the equation of the line that's perpendicular to this given line and goes through the point 2,5, and then also parallel to the given line goes through 2,5. So let's sketch this line here. So that's got a y-intercept of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So y-intercept of 8. And then you fall 8 and run 1 because negative 8 is the same as negative 8 over 1. So fall 8, run 1. Right there is our second point. So the given line looks like this. And then we have a given point, 2, 5. Both those lines go through that point 2, 5. So 2 to the right and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. About right there is the point 2, 5. And we want the line perpendicular to the black line. So that is, I'll do that one in blue. So that's going to be this line here. And then we also want the line parallel to the black line that goes through the point 2, 5. I'll do that one in red. So parallel means same slope. So that would look just about like that. And this is a right angle right there. Those guys are perpendicular. So for part A here, we're going to use y equals mx plus b. This is the perpendicular slope. So remember, perpendicular slopes are negative reciprocals. So we're going to take negative 8 over 1 and flip it and change the sign. So m will be 1/8. Then we can plug that into y equal mx plus b. Let me write my mx plus b up here. So 1/8 will go in for m, so it'll be 1/8 x plus b. And then plug our point 2, 5 in to find b. So 5 is the y equals 1/8 times 2 plus b. So 2 goes into 8 4 times. So 5 is 1/4 plus b. So we'll subtract 1/4 on both sides. That'll come over to the left as a negative. 5 minus 1/4 equals b. And then you can either put this in calculator, you get a decimal, or 5 is the same as 20/4 minus 1/4. That'll mean that b is equal to 19/4. And then that'll go up here. So this will be y equals 1/8 x plus 19/4. So that's our blue line here. Y-intercept is 19/4, a little less than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's about right. And then our slope, we rise 1, run 8 instead of fall 8 and run 1. And then part B, the parallel line there, our slope is the same as what we started with, negative 8. So parallel line, slope's negative 8. So that gives us y equals negative 8x plus b. And then again, plug in your 5 and 2. That point has to work in the equation because it's a point on the line. So 5 equals negative 8 times 2 plus b. So 5 is negative 16 plus b. And then add 16 on both sides. That'll come over as a positive. 5 plus 16 equals b. So b is 21. And now we can put that in here. So this will give us y equals negative 8x plus 21. And that's the red line. So it's going to have a y-intercept up here at 21, and still your slope is full 8, run 1. So now go ahead and try the Akadli quiz on parallel perpendicular equations of lines.